Hello guys, and a very warm welcome to this fourth lecture on the section 2, basically where we'll be taking you through ways to export your data from SAS. Now there are three main options when it comes to exporting your data from SAS. The first one being creating delimited or text files that other applications can use. The second one is around creating files in formats such as HTML, XML, or even PDF file. Another option is to write data directly in another application native format. And for these three, you could consider several different tools. So you could use, for example, the export wizard from SAS Enterprise Guide, proc export, the ODS system, a SAS data step, and note that there are specific procedures that allow you to work across multiple operating systems. So when it comes to using the export wizard from SAS Enterprise Guide, we won't go into an awful lot of detail. There's an accompanying hands-on session that will take you through it. Just bear in mind that it basically guides you through the process, quite similar to the import wizard. Okay. Now proc export allows you to basically push data out of SAS via code. So you just use the proc export statement specifying the library and the data set, then an out file path, to which you want to export that file, specify the DBMS. In this case, for example, in this particular example, it's a CSV file with the replace option if you wish to do so, and there you go. Now, also very important is the ODS system. The ODS stands for the Output Delivery System, and it's basically a way that SAS has to create output objects that can be sent to destinations such as HTML, RTF, PDF, what have you. It allows you to customize your outputs, fonts, colors, size, etc. And basically all you need to do is to use an ODS select or an ODS exclude statement before a SAS proc to specify which bits of output you want to use. It's really handy because it means that now with the ODS there is a separation between the results produced by SAS procedures and the delivery of this information. Okay, so it's really important. We won't go into a lot more details, but it's really important. So here's an example of using ODS to export an HTML file. So you just use the ODS HTML statement, then your normal proc print code, and then you close off the ODS HTML with that ODS HTML close statement. Again, all you need to specify on the ODS HTML file equal statement is what's the file, the HTML file that you want to export data to. Okay, and everything else is just sort of handled for you basically. Another option is to export data directly from a data step. It's very useful when you need a high level of control, and you can use both the file statement, which is quite similar to the in file statement, or the put statement as opposed to the input statement. So there you go, an example where basically you're exporting the prices new data set via a put statement. The data underscore null underscore is just basically telling you that you don't need to actually create the SAS data set. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you